Yo, what is up, everybody? Turn that up. Tyler here, and I got a message from a friend of mine who it literally makes no sense. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to Windows.
Folder view list. Microsoft Edge.
All right, so I'm on my desktop, and so she said she hit the Windows key. So let's hit the Windows key.
Start window. Search window. Search box edit blank.
Okay. So the search box is there.
All apps list. Number grouping. 3D viewer. A grouping. Access. Alarms and clock. B grouping.
Anyway,
A group. Number grouping. Number grouping. Pin tiles list. All apps list. Number grouping. Start list. Toggle start navigation menu items collapsed activate to show or hide labels.
oh,
Expanded.
there we go.
User account for toggle start navigation.
Okay, I don't need that.
Collapsed.
There we go.
All apps list.
All right, cool.
Number grouping.
Okay, so now that we're on the all apps list, so it's literally showing me a list of every single ding dong darn app I have. So I can literally go over and go to
N grouping. Netflix. E grouping. Energy Star.
oops.
N grouping. Netflix. NVDA. O grouping. OBS Studio. O grouping. Office. OneDrive. OneNote for Windows. Outlook.
All right, I can go to Outlook, click, and that's how I can do it. Also,
Inbox Tyler Shepard 220. Waiting for Outlook.
okay, cool.
Inbox Tyler Shepard
Also,
2.
there are instances where if I want to,
Let's get started.
No, let's not.
Inbox Tyler. Desktop.
So let's just say I want to go back and I want to search. It'll pop me into the search field.
Start window. Search window. Search box edit blank.
So I have my search box here. This is running Windows 10, whatever license I have, the normal. It's not Pro, but I think it's just the traditional one. So if I want to go to Notepad.
Notepad. App. Untitled Notepad. Text editor edit multi-line.
Then I can write something like,
Hi. Al. A. Daniel. T. 2. Your. Homework. O-E-M-O-H.
I can spell, right?
Homework. Before. 11F. Colon F 1. 1. 5. 0. 9 p.m. Today.
Okay, so I have Notepad open. I wrote this note.
Hi Daniel. Please don't forget to hand in your homework before 11:59 p.m. today.
Okay, so there's that. I don't know. Again, I don't really understand what she means.
Notepad dialog. Do you want to www.pan?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go over. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it up here. Let's see, because I think she sent an audio clip. Open Messenger. Hold on. Open Messenger. All right, so let's see if we can find it. All right, let's see. So let's see what it says here.
Navigation bar, button. Messenger, edit. Forward button. Play voice message, button. Pause voice message.
Okay, I hope this works. So you know when you press Windows and you go to the desktop and it's like a list of things? That is what is going on.
Oh. Okay, that clears it up. If you couldn't hear it, so what she's talking about is when we do this.
Desktop list. Microsoft Edge 5 of 17.
So it's not the start menu. It's not this.
Desktop.
This. Okay. So all of her icons are gone. So what we're going to do here.
New notification from suggested. Free mic.
Yeah, I don't care. What we're going to do here is we're going to actually do some quick research on why the icons might be gone from your Windows 10, from your laptop. So we're going to go
www. Inbox tile. Screen and video record. Inbox screen.
We're going to actually go
New tab. Y.
Y. Oops, I can't spell. Microsoft.
Microsoft. Icons. Gone. From. Desktop. Google.com/search Q equals Y plus Microsoft plus icons plus gone.
Okay, shut up.
Why Microsoft icons gone from desktop Google
Search.
main clickable featured snippet from. Make sure you have enabled the show desktop icon feature on Windows 10. Right click your desktop, click view, and check show desktop icons. Check to see if your desktop icons are back. September 28th.
Wait, what?
Heading clickable level 3, click view and check. Heading clickable level 3. Make sure you have enabled the show desktop icon feature on Windows 10. Right click your desktop.
Okay.
Folder view.
So right click the desktop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shift F10.
Context menu. Open O. Move to 1. Open file. Run as administrator. Run as different. Share with Skype. Troubleshoot compatibility Y. Unpin from start. Scan with Microsoft Defend. Unpin from task. Copy as path A. Restore previous versions V. Send to submenu. Cut T.
I don't know
Copy
what,
C.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Create shortcut S. Delete D. Rename M. Properties R. Open O. Properties R. Microsoft Edge Properties dialog. Shortcut property page Microsoft. Folder view.
All right, let's listen to this again
Mike-
because I literally don't know what they're talking about.
C. Program. C.
Ah,
Why Microsoft icons.
I accidentally opened.
Clickable link graphic. Heading clickable level 3. Make sure you have enabled the show desktop icon feature on Windows 10. Right click your desktop. Heading clickable level 3. Click view and check show desktop icons. Check to see if your desktop icons are back. September 28th, 2021. Clickable desktop icons disappeared in Windows 10 Solve driver. Heading document busy blank. Banner landmark link.
I might actually link this article here.
Desktop icons disappeared in Windows.
Desktop icon. Let's actually change it to an authoritative British
NV
voice because why not?
Preference settings. NVDA general property page.
Oops.
Categories. Speech 2 of speech prop chain voice.
Microsoft George.
Microsoft Hazel. Desktop icons disappeared in heading level 2. Fix Windows 10 desktop icons missing. Link Wendy My. Last main landmark tips below to fix. If your desktop icons somehow disappear on your Windows 10 computer, don't worry, you can try the tips below to fix the issue. Tips below to fix the issue quickly and easily. Heading level 2. Try these tips. You don't have to try them all, just work your way down the list until you find the one that works for you. List with 6 items. 1. Link enable show desktop icons. 2. Link check your desktop icon settings. 3. Link rebuild icon cache. 4. Link perform a system restore. 5.
God.
Link reset your computer. 6. Link bonus tip out of list. Heading level 3. Tip 1. Enable show desktop icons. Make sure you have enabled the show desktop icon feature on Windows 10. List with 2 items. 1. Right click your desktop, click view, and check show desktop icons. 2. Check to see if your desktop icons are back. If not, try tip 2, below, out of list, separator. Heading level 3. Tip 2, check your desktop icon settings. List with 4 items. 1. Right click your desktop and click personalize. 2. Click themes greater desktop icon settings. 3. Select the icons you want to show on desktop, then click OK. 4. Check if your desktop icons missing problem is resolved. If not, try tip 3, below, out of list, separator. Heading level 3. Tip 3, rebuild icon cache. You can also try these steps to rebuild the icon cache. List with 3 items. 1. Run command prompt as administrator. 2. Copy paste the following commands one at a time and press enter after each command.
Oh God.
taskil/f/imexplorer.exe cd/d %user profile %update a local attrib h icon cache.db del.
Okay, yeah. That's some high end. That's getting deep into the high end stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I will link it to the video description for everyone's viewing pleasure. A huge thank you to Hazel for reading this out loud. All right. I don't know if that was helpful.
Table. Row 3 column 1. Out of table. Row 2 heading level 2.
No events.
Oops, that's my...
Screen and video
9
button stop.
Not sure if that was helpful, but it might be. So let me know, and I will talk to you all later.